Right there was a tornado that was across the river from my house. First time that we've ever had one in this area. I know people say, yeah, there was warnings for years, but you know what? Not while I lived here. I'm just saying that was just touched down over there. I'm glad everybody's all right. It's not raining anymore here. And it was only really quick anyway. Wait a minute. Those clouds look kind of iffy to me. Only because in flight school we learned about, you know, what I call the nipple clouds. They look like a nipple first. Look at that. Look at that. That's wild. You totally see it over there. Look at that. Oh, holy jumpins'. Just seeing that. That's wild, man. It's incredible. It is incredible. The stuff I see. The stuff I see here. Look at that. That's the end of it. That's the end of that tornado. I mean, look, it's making a perfect triangle, kind of. It's moving quite fast. As long as it doesn't turn and come this way, we're good. We're totally good. Look at that. Isn't that great? Okay, everybody, just to let you know we're okay here after the tornado warning we had. Whew, it did touch down, but it touched down over there. Didn't affect any of us. I'm going to get a hold of some of my friends, make sure they're all right. And peace out. I mean, that thing is really chucking. Still going quite fast. Ouch, mosquitoes. It's just crazy. Just even watching it moving that fast. I know. But we're safe. And that's what matters. Okay, guys, peace out. Love you all.